Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a wrap command is use here, and how to use wrap command and how to work wrap command in Solidworks. And wrap command is a 3D command, and this command is very useful and helpful for create a new design. And guys, today discuss here a SolidWorks lecture 39 is discussed here, and lecture and SolidWorks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and guys, all lecture is previous lecture, and all one by one is you can see here easily. All lecture is given here, and all lecture is available here. And today discuss here a wrap command, and this command is very useful and helpful. Okay, let's start here. Okay, this is our SolidWorks software interface, and at first draw a 3D model. Then this model is used here a wrap command. Okay, at first this face is select here and a sketch and normal. Okay, and at first draw a any center line. Okay, this is a correct. Draw. Okay, this is a correct, and draw a other line is a correct. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a better, and click a text command, and at first select this line. This line is a correct, and also this line is a okay. Then one by one is click here. Okay, and this is a use a okay, some point is a okay. At first select this, and at first upper line is a better. Okay, this is a middle point is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a correct, and again okay, one by one is select here. Okay, this is a perfect, but this line is a delete here, and one line is a drag here. This is a this, and okay, this is a some upper side, and again select a okay, click this line and select a okay, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, guys, some write this box text box is a YouTube. Okay, and this is a CAD CA tutorial is written here, and this is a font is change. This is a bold, and 6 is correct, and also change here 8 is better. Okay, this is a okay more, but this is a 7 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a perfect, and some okay, this is a all is correct, and all is perfect. Okay, and click OK, and exit and use a wrap command. Wrap command, at first select this face. Okay, this is a face, is click here and click a emboss. Emboss means this is a upward outside, and deboss means this is a inward downside, and this is a 8 thickness is correct, and this is a okay running here. Okay, this is a perfect, looking very nice. Okay, this is a correct, and this color is change here, and this face is a okay, this face is a blue color is better. Okay, okay, this is a correct blue color, and this is a perfect. Okay, looking very nice here, and this is a correct. And okay, next is a this deboss means this is a correct. Okay, this is a downward, and this is a perfect. All is looking very nice. And next is a scribe. Scribe means only boundary is okay, this is a correct. All is looking perfect, not outward, not inward, but only this is a this face is only correct. And use a emboss means correct. Okay, this is a looking so nice here, and all is a correct. Okay, this is a looking so nice, perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, this wrap command is discussed very easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.